guys, what's the difference between ammonia-based and ammonia-free hair dye? The purpose of ammonia and its substitutes is to loosen the structure of the hair, the cuticle and cortex, so that unoxidized pigments can be delivered inside the hair. Then, during the polymerization process, the unoxidized pigments form color molecules. This is what hair coloring is. A large amount of ammonia plus a high percentage of hydrogen peroxide help us lighten hair by 5 to 6 shades with lightening dyes, as well as when coloring glassy gray hair. The main substitute for ammonia is monoethanolamine, MEA. It does everything that ammonia does, just less intensely. An ammonia-free dye will lighten hair by 3 shades with lightening tones and cover gray hair, but not 100%. To achieve full 100% coverage with an ammonia-free dye, you'll have to use some tricks. These include pre-pigmentation, loosening the hair, boosting pigments, or increasing the percentage of developer. In my opinion, if you're satisfied with the result of this kind of partial coverage, just toning gray hair, then there's no point in making the coloring process more complicated. But if you need dense coverage, complete gray coverage, then choose a different dye that is physically capable of providing 100% coverage. Otherwise, it's like trying to paint a white wool blue. You take watercolor paint and expect the effect of an oil-based dye. A dye that contains ammonia is capable of providing 100% coverage and maximum lightening. But an ammonia-based dye has a smell, and it's only the smell that has a negative impact on the stylist or the client. A dye with an ammonia substitute is weaker, but it doesn't have a smell. But you always need to make a choice in favor of the particular dye from which you expect a certain effect. To know your dye means to control the hair coloring process.